Good morning, children. In the last session, we completed Power of the Will, right? In this session, I would like to explain the big part of this lesson. All are get ready and open page number 62 in studio. Now, it's a time to finish the activities. So, children, in the page number 62, we have a mind map. Things I have learnt. Complete the mind map. History of a transportation started with humans. First, at the stage 1, they are walking. In the stage 2, they are using animals. In the stage 3, they are using sledges. In the stage 4, they used logs tied together. Next, evolution of the wheel. Yes, we have a transportation, two kinds of transportation we have, modes of transport and a means of transport. Coming to modes of transport, modes means medium. We have a three mediums, right? Waterways, landways, airways. And we have two types of transport here, public transport and a private transport. Examples of transport. Cars we are used for transport, planes we are used for transport, and boats we are used for transport. And last category, factors affecting choice of a transport. Yes, what are the factors? Speed, number of passengers, and fare. What are they? Speed, number of passenger, and fare. All numbers, everyone compare these effects of factoring. Do you know these factors? Everyone they will compare because of everyone. At particular times we need some particular factors. For suppose if you want to go early, you can choose a aeroplane. So aeroplane is speed. Okay. If you travel in aeroplane, we can reach a place very quickly and easily. That belongs to speed. Number of passengers. We can choose a train and fare. Coming to fare, railways and waterways, that means ships and boats, ferries, also reasonable cost. That means lovely fare. We have lovely fare. Okay. Now coming to page number 63, fill in the blanks. I carry many people from one place to another. I travel on trucks, built on roads. I am a dash. Yeah, it's absolutely right. I have a 6 wheels. I move on the roads. I transport many people at a time. I am a dash. Yes, bus can transport many people at a time, and bus have a 6 wheels. Now you can use me to travel to another country. If you travel in me, you should use a safety belt when I take off and land. I am an aeroplane. Yes, from one country to another country, we should prefer a aeroplane. Okay. So rather than waterways, we can easily and quickly reach the another country through the aeroplane very easily. Okay, children. Now coming to fourth one, I have 3 wheels. I am mostly used as public transport in cities and towns. I am a dash. Yeah, auto rickshaw. We called as auto. Auto has 3 wheels. That is a public transport. Public modes of transport widely used in towns and cities. Even in villages also we have a auto rickshaw. Okay, children. Open page number 64. We have a true or false. Modes of transport are the medium by which we travel. Yes, it's a correct only. We should keep tree. And ferries are used to travel in waterways. Yes, ferries, boats, ships are used in waterways. We should keep a T letter. That means true. And sledges were used to transport things. No, sledges were used where at the slopes. Okay, at the slopes they are used sledges. That is a false. And fourth one, the circular shape of the wheel helps in the movement of vehicle. As true only. The circle shape will help you to move easily. Okay. So children, everyone should complete this and read this. We have an examination, so everyone should get ready for that. Children, you can open companion page number 9. We have one activity here, the evolution of humans. Read about this is a project time. Read about a day in the life of an early human, then form teams and write about a day in your life using the given template presented in class. Yes, I got up at sunrise. I came out of my cave and went to the river to wash myself. When I felt hungry, I went out to hunt. It was my lucky day today. I caught a deer. I collected twigs on my way back to the cave. When I got back, it took some time to start a fire as the stones were wet. Finally, I roasted the meat over the fire and ate it. By the time I finished, it was sunset. It's a time to sleep now. Yes, this is a life cycle of an early human being. Okay, children? Use this template to collect and present information about a day in your life. Yes, everyone, we have the day-to-day, that is a day-to-day life. This is a day-to-day life of early human beings, and we have day-to-day life, and when we wake up and what we doing and when we go to bed. So everyone, you can frame a paragraph like this. If you can frame like this, otherwise just everyone try to frame a paragraph like this, early human being. Okay, that means you should enter the date, day, time. Okay, these three templates to collect present information. Okay, everyone can frame a paragraph. Next one, describe the day and how you felt when it started. Okay, describe any day of your life and you felt when it started. How you feel? Sometimes, early morning at wake up. Sometimes maybe, it's at times 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock. I want to sleep 5 more minutes. I want to sleep again 10 more minutes. Like everyone feeling, right? So any one day in your life, you can write a paragraph on how it was started and how it was closed. That means how you this end with the day. Third one, write about the events or incidents that happened during the day. Okay, on a particular day, how did you feel when each event happened? We have some important days, some special days, some normal days. In our life, we have different kinds of days, right? So you can choose any one day of that in your life and you can describe of the day fully. How did you feel when each event happened and how did it affect you? Okay, it affects you happy or it affects you living sad, it affects you living happily. So you can write that. Write how your day ended, the lesson you learned from the events of the day. Yes, this one also you can write, children. And turn the page. We have another lesson activity, the power of the wheel here. Classify the means of transport according to the different modes using the given color code. One is done for you. Here modes and means of transport here. Water. First one water. Second one is air. Third one is land. Yes. Here already colored. Water, ship can travel only in water, right? So water is blue color. That is why the vehicles which are travel in a water, those are also colored by a blue in color. Okay, so water blue color, ship we have to color blue. And what are the remaining? Yes, boat we have to color blue. Okay, next coming to air. So air is in yellow in color. Okay, here we have a ships, bike, bicycle, train, car, jeep, motorbike, helicopter, lorry, bullock cart, truck, auto rickshaw, bus, van, aeroplane, boat. So what are the vehicles we use it to color yellow? Helicopter and aeroplane. Yeah, here it is, helicopter and aeroplane. We should color yellow in color. Yes. Next one is land. Yes, remaining all vehicles belongs to land only. That means what is this color? Light red or brown you can use, okay, or pink, light pink you can use that. Next, coming to second category, this is a table. List 3 examples of public and private transport. Choose from the vehicles given in the tree. Public transport. What are the public transport? Bus, train, aeroplane. What are the private transports? Car, motorbike, jeep, auto rickshaw, lorry, bicycle. These are the examples of private transport. And these 3 are the bus, train, aeroplane are the examples of public transport. Okay children? Okay children, now turn the page. So you can open page number 12. We have a activity with the driving license. This is a driving license. Fill in your details. Here you can write here name and son of or a daughter of. Okay, you can write your father name and address. You can write your address and date of birth. Your date of birth can mention here. And what does DOI mean? DOI mean date of issue. Okay, date of issue. If any certificate or any license or any permission letter you can want means you have to apply for that. That is why you have to write the or mention a date of day. A person can get the driving license at the age of 18. What can be the earliest possible of DOI of your driving license? Yes, if you want a driving license, you can complete 18 years, right? Before 18 years, you cannot get a driving license. So, if you born in a 2000, you can get a driving license in the 2018. If you born in the year of 2002, you can get a driving license in the year of 2020. Like that, so you can count from your date of birth to at least, okay, we can get driving license at the age of 18. So you can mention the date, so when we get a license. For suppose, for example, you was born in the year of 2006, you can get a license in the year of 2024. So this is an example for that. Just you can write the date of birth as well as when you get driving license. Children, and we have the project time also. Work in teams and plan a trip from one city to another. Use the table on the next page. List the possible modes and means of transport between 2 cities. Yeah, here we have 2 cities, Bangalore and Visakhapatnam. Okay, so what has given from the list? Identify and write the fastest means of transport between the 2 cities. Yes, we have a fastest transport. What is that? Aeroplane, right? Instead of train or buses, we can use aeroplane to reach quickly and easily. That is called fastest transport. And fourth one, write some safety measures that you must follow while using the means of transport in your notebook. Yes, while I am explaining lesson, I am explaining you, right? Safety measures, be safe. We have a table also, that is be safe. We have to follow some precautions as well as some guidelines while you traveling in a road or on a road or on waterways or in air also. Okay, so this is a picture. This is from Bangalore to Visakhapatnam. So you can write that. And in the page number 14, we have a table. This is a from to Visakhapatnam to Visakhapatnam. What are the modes? We can travel only on roads or a train. For Visakhapatnam to Bangalore, land or air. There is no water. So inside there is no water. So waterways, it's not impossible. And Tirunanthapuram. So Visakhapatnam to Tirunanthapuram, there is no water. So land, air only we can travel. And we can travel from the ocean also. Okay, from Bay of Bengal. Visakhapatnam also have the sea. Tirunanthapuram also have the sea. So we can travel in the Bay of Bengal as well as Chennai. Land, air and water also. Port Blair. Port Blair is the capital of Andaman Nicobar Islands. So we can travel through airways and waterways. As well as Bangalore. Tirunanthapuram to Visakhapatnam, Tirunanthapuram to Bangalore, Tirunanthapuram to Tirunanthapuram to Chennai, Tirunanthapuram to Port Blair. So every column we should write a fastest means of transport. Yes, among these modes of transport, land and air, between these, what is the fastest means of transport? So everywhere we have a fastest modes of transport. So in Chennai also we have, in Port Blair also we have. So every student try to write this and send me through WhatsApp. Okay? If you have any doubts, make a call to me. I will explain you in detail manner. Okay? Thank you.